You can see this. Oh wow. Oh, nice. We are now here. Waterfall. Well, this is another waterfall, guys. We're going to another waterfall, which is the big one. But this one is like a small one, but it's very far. It's kind of far. Right, Malam?
Yes, Manal.
What's your step, mahal ko?
You also mahal ko. Aso ako.
You want me to go first? Oh.
I can hear it.
Yeah.
So did you take a video of me taking a video?
Yeah. Searching for the
Look,
wilderness.
this is a route.
Huh? Oh yeah.
It's going all the way there.
Oh wow.
Is it a route?
It's like making a
Looks like a
spaghetti.
very alien thing.
I can hear the waterfall.
Me too.
Well, be careful. You want me to go first?
Okay.
You hold this rope. Oh. In nighttime, maybe it's dangerous here to come, right?
Of course.
Oh.
Look at this thing.
Yeah, a small lizard. It's like a small fish and a lizard. Oh, where are we going, my love?
Wow.
It's so hot. Oh, it's very dangerous here. Oh, yeah. Go. You want me to go first? Oh, yeah. You okay, my love?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. It's very stiff.
Oh.
It's very stiff.
Be careful here, okay?
Huh?
Careful here.
Yeah.
It's very
the roots.
steep now.
Oh. Yeah. You okay, my love? You can do it. Oh. Yeah.
Malap, can I take a video of us?
Yeah. Okay, guys. We are now going to the biggest waterfall here on this island. And Chanel is something like tired, but she still can go. Love, are you excited now?
I'm excited. Let's go.
Why every time that there's like I'm saying like we want to go to the waterfall, but you don't want to go to the waterfall? Is it because it's cold?
Yeah, the water is kind of cold.
Yeah. Chanel is not a fan of waterfalls.
The
But
photos are nice, but not to swim.
I like waterfalls and ocean as well. Chanel likes ocean because so she can do some tanning. She want a brown skin.
And be a mermaid.
How to be a what is the berbe? It's a mermaid face. Mermaid face, malam. There's no entrance here, guys, you know.
Yeah, it's
Free.
free.
You'll be always free. I'm ready.
Oh, look at this one. That sounds good.
Huh?
Look at this one.
Wow. We are here, guys.
Ja, geil. Super.
Waterfall.
Das sieht gut.
Ja, mega. Uy. Push up. Hey, Malabi. It's rocky.
Yeah, but maybe in the south it's so much tourism for the beaches, for the things. Yeah. So mafia is usually compensating where there's not government, where there's not the state that has the people.
Oh, yeah. Here you go. Huh? What up? You like it? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Tarzan. You wanna try? It's high. Mission was a success. We are now here at the waterfall.
I like that.
Here.
So cool. Look at that tree. It's like greenery. Huh? Interesting, yeah.
Yeah. You wanna go there? Wanna swim?
How would you get there?
We should put our things there. Right?
Oh, I have the water casing.
Oh, do you want?
Wanna try that there?
Yeah. Let's go.
How do we get there?
Here. Climb.
Huh?
Guys, we are now enjoying the nature here. Very nice. Come on.
Be careful, Mala.
Guys, one. Oh yeah!
Man.
Okay? How's the waterfall, baby?
Yeah, this waterfall is really nice and hot, I must say.
Yeah.
Okay, Mala, let's go. We're going to the beach now. Come on.
It's beautiful there, Malam.
Yeah. Okay, here.
It's a glare.
I'm not gonna jump there.
No, it's not deep.
No, there's funny things there.
No, there's nothing.
Kevin, can you just swim with me?
Okay.
Let's take a video of all this. Kevin, you're never gonna get this again.
I done already. Da.
Can we go back to the days our love was strong? Can you tell me how a perfect love goes wrong? Can somebody tell me how to get things back the way they used to be? How could you be?
Yeah. This is what, if you were born in the Philippines, you will. Because I'm a batang hamog before. You know batang hamog? I'm always running somewhere.
What's the time?
I'm always playing, huh?
What's the time?
It's time for you to buy a new watch.
I have the rails.
See that one?
How can even look? And it's
Easy
all
for
over
me.
there.
Yeah, it's easy for me to go. It's already 3:20.
320.
Yeah.